welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. Thank you for the love and thank you for the support so far. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. My name is Ayotola, the creative director of So Unique by Adunni and the content creator of this YouTube channel, DIY with So Unique by Adunni. And if you don't know what this channel is about, well, it's about a lot of DIY, which is do-it-yourself crafts, and we focus mainly on sewing videos. So today I've got another sewing related tutorial for you, and I'm going to be showing you how to use a draping tape to do your draping. And I've got my dress form here, a standard dress form, and I've got this little gift pack that I received from my friends at Technical Foundations. So I'm doing a collaboration. This video is a collaboration with Technical Foundations, and they decided to send me their products, and their products are absolutely amazing. So guys, this is literally what it says. It says Ayotola, enjoy. So excited for our collab, Technical Foundations. And I spoke to Nancy, and I must say she's a really sweet person to speak to. So yes, I'm going to be working with their body line tapes, and these tapes are basically draping tapes. And if you don't know what draping tapes are literally sticky tapes or adhesive that you use to put, you know, the draping lines or the guidelines on your dress form. So if you have a dress form like mine that doesn't come with the draping lines, you want to go ahead and make use of a good draping tape to put, you know, some guidelines on your draping tape, which will make draping easier for you while draping. So yes, you definitely want to get this. I'll put a link in my description bar below if you're looking to get, you know, a draping tape that is really good. And it's not too expensive, to be honest. I think it's about $7.50 or $8. I'm gonna check and put the right price. So yes, if you're looking to invest in a good quality draping tape, you definitely want to use this one from Technical Foundations. I've heard nothing but good things about the draping tape. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie, I have used this tape and it is the truth. It is the truth. Like, I probably would need to order some more, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it exactly. So basically, there are two main functions that I use my draping tips for, and I use my draping tips, like I said earlier, to make guidelines on my mannequin. So basically, I'm just going to trace out like the middle of the mannequin, the dot lines on the mannequin, the shoulder, the neckline. Basically, those are the guidelines. So if you don't know what guidelines, again, I'm going to slip a picture here or here so that I can show you what the guidelines or the drape lines are on a dress form. And also, I also use them to create style lines, which will, you know, kind of like inspire the style that I want to make for the garment. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video to show you how to use your draping tape and how to drape a basic bodice. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've got the red and the black one, and I'm going to be going in with the black one to draw my draping lines onto my mannequin. And I've got my pair of thread snips here. That's what I'm going to be using to cut my draping tape. So what you want to do first is I want to mark my bust line. Alright guys, so now that we are done putting the draping lines with a black tape, as you can see, it looks really nice. So I have the bust point here, which is the apex, and I've got the waistline here. I've got the center line, which is where I'm going to put my grain line. I've got the armhole line, I've got the neck area, and I've got the shoulder line all put in place. So now we are ready to go ahead and use the second draping tape, which is this one, to show you a different way to use your draping tape. So the first way, like I said earlier, is to put your draping lines onto your dress form if you have a dress form that doesn't have one. Actually, a lot of dress forms don't come with draping lines, so guys, it's a really good investment. So in this one, I'm going to show you how to use your draping tape to create style lines. And for me, I prefer it to when I'm draping, because I don't have to use like paper patterns. I don't have to use flat pattern. So what I just do is I just create my style lines with my draping tape, and then I just trace it onto my muslin. Alright guys, so now I am done using my draping tape to create my style lines. And as you can see from this style line, what I have here is I have a very plunging V neckline, and then I've got a little bit of a cutout here. So basically what I have would be for the bodice, I have just this piece right here, and then this piece. However, if I was going to take it out with my muslin, what I would do would be I would add an extra layer here along the dart so that I can have like my princess seam just taken out like so. Okay guys, alright guys, so now that we've created the first style line by using the red draping tape, and we have a plunging neckline with a little bit of a cutout detail here, on this side I'm going to try and create another neckline or another style line using my draping tape. So go ahead and watch me. So we've come to the end of this tutorial where I show you how to use your draping tape, and as you can see, I've created two different style lines or two different styles or designs using my draping tape. So obviously, like I said, the black tapes that we have here are just our draping guidelines, while the red ones we have were used to create the style lines. And starting from the left side, so you can see that this style line that I have here is a plunging neckline that goes all the way to the waistline. Literally, it goes really deep, guys. And then it's got a little bit of a cute cutout here. If you can see, I just have that one here and I have this here, and it's cute here. It's got a little bit of a what's it called here, cutout here. See, for this one here, I've got kind of like a corset shaped top. It's a bodice that's got like the bra or the cup area here. It's got a little bit of a strap, and then it's got the corset pieces that come in 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces from the center, front, and all the way. Alright guys, so we've come to the very end of this video, and I've showed you how to use your draping tape to create style lines and draping lines on your dress form. So if you're like me and you have a dress form that doesn't have draping lines, you definitely want to invest in this draping tapes. And trust me guys, there's so many draping tapes, but this one from Technical Foundations is the best one that I have tried, and I am not even joking guys. This draping tape is the truth, and it just makes my work easier. So like I said in the second part of this video, I'm also going to be using the draping tape so you can see how I use them to create a basic bodice without even having to work with pattern or transfer it. It just makes my work so easy. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also you want to turn on the post notification so you don't miss out on the awesome content that I have for you. You also want to follow me on social media with the handles that I would show somewhere on the screen, and you want to follow Technical Foundations, and I think it's at Technical Foundations informations. However, I'm going to put their handles somewhere here so you can follow them and order your tapes, and I'll also link their websites in the description bar below. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.